Today, manufacturing has been growing in complexity because of the growing product mix and increased need for space. For these reasons, it is difficult for traditional tools of lean manufacturing to work. It's time to consider new tools for process improvements and waste reduction. Automated material handling can assist you to eliminate the 5 key contributors to waste within a facility. Most notably, space in manufacturing plants creates a unique challenge because of the need to maintain enough floor space near production to provide painless parts accessibility to meet production schedules and to house the ever-growing number of SKUs required to meet today's customized production runs. Efficiency was hindered because line-side storage was constrained by space, which caused replenishment bottlenecks. Past methods of picking and replenishment were slow and inefficient, resulting in missed deadlines and unproductive labor. GM line-side storage of main body harness goals were increase the number of different SKUs for main body wire harnesses at line-side, improve inventory control, improve ergonomics, improve picking accuracy. AMH recommended GM to install 4 Cardex Shuttle XPs with dual access and accompanied with the Cardex PowerPick global software to accomplish their goals. The Cardex shuttles are installed at line side and provide for efficient access to over 680 different SKUs of body wire harnesses. Inventory is loaded from the rear and pulled from the front of the systems using Pick-to-Light technology that is totally paperless. Can store more wire harnesses at line side and do not lose production time due to inaccurate inventory. Parts can now only be accessed through the PPG software system, which allows GM to maintain accurate inventory. Inventory is loaded from the rear and pulled from the front of the systems using Pick-to-Light technology. PPG software manages the entire system seamlessly using barcodes and Pick-to-Light technology to manage the process. The installation of the Cardex shuttle allows to achieve their goals of storing an ever-increasing number of SKU at line side, creating the highest cube capacity while increasing efficiency and control of the inventory. Many Fortune 500 companies rely on AMH, Cardex, Remstar to provide lean solutions to the most challenging material handling problems. Our customers have faith in AMH because of our 24/7, 365 service and support team. Our highly trained certified technicians are on hand to our customers 24/7 to keep them up and running at all hours and located in close proximity to reach our customers as quickly as possible.